Hey everyone, and welcome back to Neil Explains. You have 10 seconds only to solve this tricky math question. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. We have 40 divided by 20 divided by 10 divided by 5. Okay, and as we know, according to PEMDAS, we have multiplication division, you can say, but division, all operations are division, so we will do left to right operation there. And also, first we have to solve for this part, which is 40 divided by 20 will give result here 2. So we can simply write 2 divided by 10 divided by 5. Now again, left to right operation. So we have to solve for this part. 2 divided by 10 can be written as like this. Now there is fraction, so we will use here KCA. 2 by 10 will keep as it is. This division will be changed to multiplication, and this 5 can be written as 1 by 5 because we will split on. There is nothing but 1 in denominator. So we can write like we simplify 2 times 1 and 2 times 5, that is 10. But you can say 1 by 5 times 1 by 5. So this is the value, that is 1 times 1, that is 1, and 5 times 5 will equals to 25 there. So 1 by 25 is the right answer. And moving to the next question, we have 5 square plus 5 divided by 5 parenthesis 2 times, and here minus 20. So first difference will be again parenthesis. So we will simplify 5 divided by 5 times 2 minus 20. Next, we will go for this exponent part, and 5 square is 5 times 5, which equals to 25. So we will write 25 plus 5 divided by 5 times 2 minus 20. Now, according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve all from this there. Multiplication division and multiplication division have the same priority to solve left to right there. And again, first we have to solve this division, that is 5 divided by 5 will give result 1 here. So we will write 25 plus 1 times 2 minus 20. Now go for this multiplication, 25 plus 2 minus 20. Now we will do left to right, addition and subtraction, same priority. So we will do left to right. 25 plus 2, when we add, we will get 27 as answer, minus 20 as it is, and 27 minus 20 will give result 7. So 7 is the right answer. And try to solve all this math question and subscribe us for more videos like this.